Good morning, dear children. Welcome all to our next class. I hope all saw yesterday's maths class and did the homework. Let us move our next video class. Hello children, let us check our homework answers. In the previous class, you had the homework as lesson number 1, revision, the exercise 8th one. Write the following numbers in words. So 6 to 10 you had homework. I hope all did the homework. Let us check. Okay, 6 to 8. How can we read this one? 628. 628. You can check the answer. Okay, cross check your answer with this one. Then you have any corrections means you can rub it and write again. You can use pencil with these textbooks. No need to write with pen. You can only use pencil with the textbook. The next one we have 869. 869. How can we read this? 869. Then next we have 523. Next we have 771. Then next we have 351. Okay. You can cross check with this answer. Then you have any corrections means you can do it again. Next we have write the following numbers in figures. Figures means we want to write the numeral of this number. That also you had the homework as 6 to 10. Sixth question you had the answer as 805. 805, that is 805. Next one 999, that is 999. Okay, next we have 63. 63 means 63. Next we have 603. 603, 603. Then 192, that is 192. Okay. I hope all got the correct answers. Okay, again you have any correction means you can do it again. Okay children, let us revise what is after number, before number and between numbers of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Then first we can let us see before number, between number and after number. Then we can do the textbook works. Let us see the before numbers. What do you mean by before numbers? Before numbers means we want to count in backward direction. What do you mean by before numbers? Before numbers means we want to count the numbers in backward counting and otherwise backward direction. Okay, can you see some numbers numbers in boxes? Then we can see first number we have 567. Then what is the before number of 567? Can you say what is the before number of 567? Yes, sure. 566 is the before number of 567. Next we have the before number of 566, that is 565. Then the next before number of 565 is 564. Then we can see the before number of 564, that is 563. Before number of 564 is 563. Again we can see the before number of 563, then we can get a 562. Then you got now what is before number? Before number means we can just counting in backward. Okay, otherwise we can count the numbers in backward direction. Okay, next we can see after numbers. What do you mean by after numbers? After numbers means we want to count the numbers in forward direction, otherwise we can count in forward counting. Okay, you can say the same way. You can see some boxes and some numbers are given. The first number we have 833. So can you say the after number of 833? After number of 833 is 834. The same way we can say the after number of 834, that is 835. Then the same way we can say the after number of 835, that is 836. Next we have the after number of 836, that is 837. Okay, next we have after number of 837, that is 838. So what is after number? After number means we want to counting in forward direction, that is after numbers. Okay, good now dears, let us see what is between numbers. Between edailulla numbers. Can you see three boxes here? The numbers are 399, 400 and 401. Then in between we have 400. So what is the number between 399 and 401? What is the number between 399 and 401? That is 400. 400 is the in between number of 399 and 400. Okay, good now children. Before number, after number and between numbers. Let us see one more example. 837 is the between number of 836 and 838. So what is the between number of 836 and 838? Can you say what is the between number of 836 and 838? Yeah, surely that is 837. Good, no? The between number, after number and before number. Okay? Then we can do some exercise. We can do some problems here. Let us practice before numbers first. Okay. Some numbers are given here: 173, 400 and 530. First of all, we want to write the before number of 173. Anyone can say what is the before number of 173? Before number of 173. Before 73 we have 72. So the before number of 173 is 172. The same way we can write the other number also, 400. Then what is the before number of 400? Anyone can say before number of 400? Surely it is 399. What is the before number of 400? That is 399. Okay, now let us see the next number, 530. What is the before number of 530? Before number of 530 is, can we say what is the before number of 530? Surely that is 529. Good, no? Before number means we want to just counting in backward. That is the before number. Then let us see what after numbers practice. Then some numbers are given: 190, 665, 989. We want to write the after numbers of these numbers. Okay, first of all we can check the 199. So 90, what is the before and after number? 191. Next we have 665. After 665 we all know 666. Next we have 989. So what is the after number of 989? That is surely 990. Okay. Then next we can say the between numbers. So some numbers are given. First we want to practice 136 and 138 is given the first question. So we want to write the in between numbers of 136 and 138. What is the in between number of 136 and 137? That is 137. Okay, next we have 777 and 779. In between which number will come? That is 778. So in between we have 778. Next we have 109, 111. In between which number will come? Which can you say which number in between 109 and 111? We have 110. In between 109 and 111 we have 110. Okay. So what we recalled today, before number, after number and between number. Okay, dear children, we already recalled what is just before and just after number. Okay, then next we can do the textbook work for this before and after number. So before that you should write today's date 15/6/2021. In the previous class I had one mistake. Yesterday's date is 14/6. Okay, you can that also you can correct it. Okay, then next class we have write the numbers that just before and just after the following numbers. So what we want to do here, we already recalled in the video what is that what is just before number and after number, before number, after number and between number. Here what is given, in between number is given. Good, no? Here in between number is given. ഇടയിലുള്ള number തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. From that we want to find the previous number. Previous number means before number, backward counting number and forward counting number we want to write. One example is given here. The first one, 516. 516, how can we 516? So what is the before number? Before number means we want to count in backward. So after before 516, before 16 we have 15, no? So before 516 we have 515. Then after 516 means we have 517. Okay, then 700, we want to write the before number and after number. Okay, we want to write the before number of 700 and after number of 700. So before 600, what is the number? Before 600, we all know before 600 we have 699. Before 700 we have 699. Then after 700 we want to count in forward. After 700 we have 701. Okay, then 946. What is the before number? Before number means we want to count in backward. After, so before 946 we have 945. Then 946, after number also we want to write. After 946 we have 947. Then 41, before 41 we have 40 and after 41 we have 42. Then 924. So what is the before number? Before number means we want to count in backward. That is 924. 24 before 23. So 923. 900 അങ്ങനെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഓൺലി ലാസ്റ്റ് ടു ടെൻസ് പൊസിഷൻ നമ്പറും വൺസ് പൊസിഷൻ നമ്പറും നോക്കുക. അത് ഈസി ആവും. ഇവിടെ 41 ബിഫോർ 40, 41 ആഫ്റ്റർ 42. അപ്പോൾ 924 എന്ന് പറയാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് 24 ബിഫോർ 23. അതേപോലെ 924 ബിഫോർ 923. ദെൻ ആഫ്റ്റർ 924 വി ഹാവ് 925. Okay, so this section 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ഇവിടെ നിന്നൊരു ഓർഡറിൽ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തു എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതിൽ ദിസ് സെക്ഷൻ 2, 4, 6 and 10 you can do as homework. Okay, 2, 4, 6 and 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 you can do as homeworks. Okay, then next we have write the numbers given below in expanded form. Expanded form.